how to turn off comments on Instagram Reels. Now let's say you want to turn off any interaction or notification of a comment on your Instagram Reels. All you have to do is to go to your profile icon and go to your Reels, which is right here. Now let's pick a reel, let's say this one. Now if I want to turn off the comments of this reel, all I have to do is to go to tap on this message like button right here and click on these 3 lines on the upper corner. Now once I'm here, it will give me various options. For this post, I can manage the comments of this post. I can also turn off the commenting of this specific post. I can hide and limit the words that my viewers can comment on. I can also change the privacy settings and change it to the crowd that I want it to be. Now for this post, if I want to turn off commenting, all I have to do is to tap on this button right here, and it will automatically banish the option to comment on this specific reel. So that's how to turn off comments on Instagram Reels. Hope you helped.